everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I will be installing this crochet hair on myself. So I usually don't like crochet hair, but this one was very different. I loved it so much. So now I am going to go ahead and part my hair. I gave myself 2 side parts and 1 middle part, and I'm going to show you how I created my parts. Dang, I didn't really show you guys how I created the parts actually, but it's okay guys. I have on the next slide I am going to show you how I created it. But let's talk about this hair. I ordered this hair like, I don't know, a month ago, and I wasn't even planning to record it, so I don't even have the link to the hair, but I do have the picture to the hair, so you guys can take a screenshot. I'll probably have the name of the hair also in my description box, and you can go ahead and get it, guys. Honestly, this hair is so beautiful. Like, I am not really a crochet fan. Like, I am not a crochet fan because I just don't like it, I just don't. But this one was so different. It was so nice. This is like my second favorite crochet that I've done on myself. When I get crochet, I usually get them curly and long and all that stuff, or like curly and mid backs. But this one was really pretty, and I do have pictures for you guys at the end of my video. Right now I'm just braiding my hair, but I didn't show you guys how I made my parts, but I'll be showing you guys that very soon. And I don't know, was the hair expensive? I don't think it was expensive. I only used about 3 packs of the hair that you're going to see me use as we go on the video. So again, I got the hair like a long time ago, so I don't really know how much it is now. It shouldn't be past $30 or $20. I'm not really sure, but I mean, for the price and for the way it feels, it's so nice. And I would actually get the hair for more than the price because it's so nice and it's soft, and yeah. And all you need to maintain the hair is your mousse and also your bonnet. And I also do have the bonnet link in my description box. And also, Happy New Year, guys. This is my second video of the year. And I'm just trying to, do a lot of stuff, and not just locks, but braids, crochet, and all that good stuff. And I do have 12 braids. I have 6 on the left and 6 on the right. As you can see, that's my parts right there. And then there's my middle part, and then there's my other side parts. And now I am going to show you how I created my parts, both for the middle, the side, for both sides. And I'm going to say one thing: when you're crocheting your hair, when you're done braiding your hair, make sure you oil it, put something on your hair, braid your hair with hair grease and all that stuff. So now I'm going to show you how I made the part. So as you can see, I braided like the front of my hair, and then I just crocheted it in the other braids, and I'm just gonna keep braiding because I don't know, it's just easier for me that way, and it doesn't damage my hair. So let us get that part very straight. And now I'm just gonna keep braiding, and that's just how I created my parts. So I braided one of the braids, and then when I'm braiding the second one, I'm just gonna use the crochet to connect it. And that's just how I do it. And it just works for me that way, because I feel like when I do it the other way around, when you like braid them together, it's just kind of bulky, and I don't really like that. So this one seems to be working for me, and it's been working for me for a minute now. So yeah. So now we are done, and that is my parts. As you can see, it looks flat. It's so nice, and I am just ready to go ahead and crochet. But before we get there, I'm going to show you the back of my hair. My hair is long, guys, and to think that I even colored my hair, and my hair is still growing strong. I'm so proud of myself, guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and just braid the back of my hair. Again, I don't really get weaves and crochet because I don't like discomforts at the back of my hair. I just want to put my hair up, basically. So doing my crochet this way just helps me and prevents me from having discomforts at the back, like on my neck or anything like that. I don't like stress, guys. I just want a nice braids and put it up in a ponytail or a bun or something. But this is how I do my crochet, just so I don't have to feel that discomfort. And then when I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and tuck it in. Usually for my clients, I'll probably just like use the needle and thread and like just sew it in, just so it's tight. But since it's for me, guys, I really don't care because it's me, and I mean, I'm not gonna sue myself. And that is the hair that I'm gonna be using. I think it's cut over course. I'm not really sure, but now I'm gonna show you how I crochet it. So I'm gonna, insert my crochet, you know, insert the braids and everything, and then I'm gonna just tie in just one part. I don't know if you saw that, but you're gonna see me do it again. So usually you just pull like the two part, the left and the right side of the hair when it's divided into two, or when it's curved into two. But I'm gonna use just one side of the hair to make it tight, and that is how I do my crochet. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the rest of my hair. As you can see, I don't have any mirror with me. I'm just gonna go, I'm gonna like feel the back of my hair, and if I feel like, okay, it's empty, I'll just insert it, and I'm gonna crochet it. So I feel like, you know, if you probably see what I'm doing, you probably understand what I'm doing better. And when I was done, I don't think I used mousse, but I just recommend mousse just so, you know, because mousse just helps revive your curls and everything. So having a mousse would definitely help. And also what's that thing called again? Mousse and spritz. I would recommend that as well. It's just going to help keep everything intact. But when I get crochet, I don't really plan on having my own crochet for a minute, because again, I want to get my locks back. So I'm just doing this style because it's New Year's and I just want to do something different, and I haven't done crochet in a minute. So I was like, why not? Well, that'll be all for now, guys. Again, if you like the video, let me know, and if you have any questions, let me know. I will try to look through my email and see if I can find the link to the hair. But I got the hair like a month ago, and I've gotten so many emails since then, so it's gonna be hard for me to track where I got this hair from. But I'm gonna have the name of the hair, and maybe you guys can check Google and anything, you know, in Google, and then hopefully you can find the hair. And yeah, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you.